AI meets business communication. Tired of messy desks and scattered data? This makes it difficult to track information, follow up with clients, and maintain privacy. Traditional methods are slow, repetitive, and prone to errors. You're not alone. Vibly Connect is the solution. Watch as your data transforms into organized digital cards. This smart app converts printed or photographed contact cards and documents into structured business data. Even if the image is low quality, the AI-enhanced OCR can capture the details accurately. Multiple cards in one photo? No problem. The app automatically separates and exports them into Excel, PDF, or CSV. Once the data is captured, the app ensures it is clean and organized. It detects duplicates, merges them smartly, and always asks for confirmation where needed. Finally, one of the unique tools inside Vibly Connect is the number-to-name lookup. Instead of exposing sensitive information, it only shows the associated name of a contact, nothing more. This helps businesses identify leads quickly without overexposing client data. To summarize, Vibly Connect delivers 4 main benefits: accurate and automated data capture, smart proposals and outreach with minimal effort, AI-powered calling with complete user control, privacy-first design to protect client data. Next, businesses can use custom templates to automatically generate proposals, outreach messages, or SMS drafts. These drafts can be quickly edited before sending, saving hours of manual work. But the real game changer is AI-powered calling. Here, privacy and control are key. The AI calls are launched only when the user instructs the app. The message is provided by the user. The AI only delivers it in a natural, professional voice. Calls are short and to the point, about 10-20 seconds. Recipients can press 1 to connect directly with a real staff member or simply decline. Scheduling follow-ups has never been easier with our CRM integration. For deeper integration, Vibly Connect syncs smoothly with CRMs like HubSpot or Salesforce. Businesses can also export reports, logs, and statistics in one click. Your privacy matters. Minimal data storage, GDPR compliant. Another important feature is privacy. Vibly Connect is designed with a privacy-first approach. It stores only minimal account details unless the user chooses otherwise, and complies with GDPR-style rules like data export or deletion. Experience the future of business communication with Vibly Connect. With Vibly Connect, businesses can save time, reach more clients, and maintain trust, all while keeping data secure. Thank you.